Hey everybody, it is Neil, and I have this. This is by Bovemanx, and Bovemanx US, and it is a Magsafe car mount charger, and it does 15 watts, so it's gonna charge your phone pretty quickly. And it's wireless car charger phone mount, so your phone will work, your 15, 14, 13, 12, all those different phones that have the MagSafe, circle on the back of it, should work with it. And so it's pretty cool. So it comes with that was the wire. I was just kind of opening it up. It comes with it goes USB to USB-C. I wonder if you could do just a straight USB-C to USB-C port for it. I don't even know, wire. But, the USB ones now are 15 watts, so it's going to do that as well. So it's got all the different little pieces. It's got this little bar that lets you Velcro it and stick it onto somewhere. And what I didn't know at this point in my video is that it actually is flexible. But we will see that in a minute. But you can see here, it's just got the little screw-on cap with the ball that pretty much all the other mounts do. So it's really interchangeable with other ones. You can see, I have a MagSafe, charging thing, next to my screen on my Tesla, and it just charges slow. So, and it's also not really, I have one magnetized onto something else. It's not, I kind of just made it kind of work myself. It's not all in one, where this device here is all in one. So it really makes it nice. And here I dropped that little screw thing that screws around the ball. So I had to back up my seat to try to reach it. And my big old hands going through this tiny little crack. I see why some of those Shark Tank things were popular, that saved you from things falling between the seats. But here we go. So you can see I have different places I could stick it on, and then it just kind of would bend around to work to see it. But I'm just kind of showing, what am I doing here? I'm hooking it up onto that little bar, it's really cool. It's so, and the bar has Velcro on it, which is nice. And I think the Velcro, the rough side of the Velcro is built into the bar. So really you'll just stick the other side onto the device. So you could actually move it from place to place because it came with a couple of extra of the soft Velcro sides. It's not really Velcro, I guess it's all hook and loop. But so you could really put it wherever. I'm just kind of showing different places. You could hook it up onto the top of the mirror there, because the way it bends around, it'll fit, and you can kind of just aim it wherever you want. Could even be good to put for the back seat for some people that might want to be there, because it's just so flexible as far as where it can go. On this car here, the easiest place would be to mount it, to do that to the back of the screen. But it also came with one of those connectors that connects up into the vents, which don't work on a Tesla because a Tesla doesn't have those traditional vents with the fins. But it would work for traveling and everything. So here I am kind of just showing how it works if you bend it so it can kind of just aim wherever. So could just kind of stick it there, just, wherever. It's just, you have so many different options with this. It's really cool. I love the way it came with both those things too, because the other one is just that little screw-on one that screws into the vents. And I just traveled this past week. I had a rental car, and I had one of those types of contraptions to do that. So I was able to put my phone mount into the rental car, which I actually may use this one for that too, because that one that I have just didn't work great, and it was very traditional, and it didn't fit in there good, hard to move the phone. The MagSafe mounts are just so nice because it just magnetizes on, you pull the phone off, and you're ready to go. And the way I even have them is I have my a little phone grip thing on the back of my my phone case, and so it just slides to the side, and I'm able to use the MagSafe charging. So you can see here, it's nice. It's kind of cool. It gives you the square, and it's got a really good rubber texture on it. So when your phone is on there, it doesn't even slide around. It just stays where it needs to be. So, I love this one, and I love that little bar mount and the Velcro. And I won't be putting it in this Tesla, I decided, but I could. I may replace that charger there and just put that there, but the bar thing I wasn't going to use in this car. May want to put it in one of our other cars that we have, just because it's got some more flexibility in there, or may even just take it on the road with us. But here I am already putting it on. So you can see I guess I did decide to put it on and do it already there. So it's pretty cool. I really like that little device. So it works good, and here I am. I put my phone on it just to see how it works, and it stayed on there really good. So definitely a strong magnet.